a broken relationship, a revenge plan, and a judge who refuses to accept excuses. When 19-year-old Corbin Potswan admits he tried to use private photos against an ex-girlfriend, Judge Stephanie Boyd asks one simple question. If you loved her, why would you try to hurt her? What follows is a courtroom lesson on accountability, maturity, and the consequences of turning heartbreak into revenge.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge, and I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Potswan, showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. The state moves to proceed on count one of the indictment, specifically the lesser included offense of an attempted, making this a Class A misdemeanor.
No
Any objection? Mr. Potswan, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you understand them? And did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted to publish or threaten to publish intimate visual material as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court doesn't have to follow your plea bargain agreement? If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw the plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application of deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Potswan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on count one. They're proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted publication of intimate visual material. Fine is assessed at $1,000. State recommends deferred adjudication. They want an apology letter to complaining witness. You're to permanently delete any and all intimate photos of complaining witness on all devices. With regards to the apology letter, is this word content? How many words? Or is it just going to be, I apologize, period?
I have conferred, the state has conferred with opposing counsel prior to today's setting. Opposing counsel has provided me a copy of an apology letter as well as an affidavit averring that all items, all photos of complaining witness have been deleted from his devices. The state has examined those letters provided by defense counsel and is satisfied with those letters provided. The state can turn those over to probation at the appropriate time.
All right. Did you understand that to be the plea, Mr. Potswan?
Yes, sir.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
It is the state's understanding, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is asking that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 200 hours community service, restitution, and no contact with the complainant other than this apology letter. After that, there's to be no contact. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand those are recommendations by the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offers into evidence State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments pending any objections.
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Potswan, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. How old are you, Mr. Potswan?
19, man.
And how old is the complainant?
Same age as me, I believe.
All right. Did you ever love her?
I did at one point
Yeah. So why would you try to hurt somebody that you previously loved?
because it was a long story, one involving many friends of mine that she went behind my back during the time trying to hook up with each and every one of them. And I felt hurt, betrayed, and I didn't know what to think at the time. And I was very immature with my actions.
Well, no, I mean, maybe you shouldn't be in a relationship if you can't handle.
And I haven't been since.
Well, maybe that's a good thing because you're probably not ready. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right. Have you ever used drugs in the past?
Wow. Yes, ma'am.
What?
Marijuana.
When's the last time you used marijuana? And you're going to get drug tested today. So,
High school.
okay. What are you doing with your life now?
Right now, I'm trying to get a job at Chick-fil-A. I have a job at an Italian restaurant, Paisanos. I left that because the management wasn't as what I thought it was. So,
What do you mean the management wasn't as what you thought it was?
they had a very unique way of telling us how to do stuff and how our jobs were supposed to be, because I was only a busser. So they expected a lot more of me than what I was originally assigned for the task to do.
All right, because if you're trying to touch Paisano's special salad, you know, it's already perfect. There isn't anything you should be doing to that.
Mm-hmm.
So who are you living with?
My grandma.
So your grandmother's supporting you. Why are you not living with your parents?
My dad is currently, he signed away his rights at birth, and then my mom is at UPS trying to get a house currently.
All right, do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
All right. Anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. You're going to do a UA today, probation. He's going to need a UA today. And you say that UA is going to be negative.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 2 years deferred adjudication and probation. Let me know the results of that UA. There's going to be $1,000 fine probated. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, apology letter to the complainant.
What begins as a routine plea hearing quickly turns into a powerful lesson about relationships, responsibility, and the consequences of revenge. 19-year-old Corbin Potswan stands before Judge Stephanie Boyd after being charged in a case involving the attempted publication of intimate images. Instead of facing the original felony allegation, he is allowed to plead to a reduced Class A misdemeanor. The deal offers him a chance to avoid jail through deferred adjudication, but Judge Boyd wants answers before granting that opportunity. As the hearing unfolds, the judge learns that both Corbin and the complainant are the same age. Then she asks a question that instantly changes the tone of the courtroom. Did you ever love her? Corbin quietly answers yes. Judge Boyd follows with a question that cuts straight to the heart of the case. Then why would you try to hurt somebody that you previously loved? Corbin explains that after their relationship ended, he felt betrayed. According to him, his ex-girlfriend was pursuing several of his friends, leaving him angry, hurt, and emotionally overwhelmed. He admits his actions were immature and driven by those feelings. But Judge Boyd refuses to treat heartbreak as an excuse. She reminds him that relationships end every day and that disappointment is not a license to harm someone else. Instead of seeking revenge, she says he should have simply moved on with his life. The questioning then shifts to his future. Corbin reveals that he is living with his grandmother and searching for work after leaving a restaurant job. Judge Boyd challenges him to focus less on past relationships and more on building a productive future. When sentencing begins, the court imposes strict conditions. Corbin receives 2 years of deferred adjudication, a $1,000 fine, 200 hours of community service, mandatory proof of employment, regular supervision, and drug testing. He is also ordered to permanently delete all intimate images of the complainant and submit an apology letter. Most importantly, he is prohibited from having any further contact with her. For Judge Boyd, the case is about more than punishment. It is about forcing a young man to grow up and understand that personal pain never justifies causing pain to someone else. As the hearing concludes, she delivers a final piece of advice. If someone breaks your heart, consider yourself lucky that you discovered who they are before marriage, before children, and before greater complications. Learn from it, move on, and build a better future. In just a few minutes, Judge Boyd transforms a revenge-fueled case into a powerful lesson about maturity, accountability, and the importance of letting go.
What you did. You understand? That's yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I be excused, Your Honor? That's all I had.
Yes.
Thank you.